The Dictionary of Real Estate Appraisal, page 220, Chapter S continued. Standard Industrial Classification, SIC. The system of classification formerly used by the Bureau of the Census to identify various types of industrial activity using numerical codes of 1 to 4 digits. Superseded in 1997 by the North American Industry Classification System, NAICS. Standardization. C. Normalization. Standard parallels. In the government survey system of land description, the east and west lines that establish the north and south boundary lines of townships run parallel to a baseline at 24-mile intervals. Standard & Poor's, a subsidiary of McGraw-Hill Incorporated that provides numerous investor services, including ratings of bonds, common stocks, preferred stocks, and commercial paper. See also S&P/Case-Shiller Home Price Indices. Standby commitment. A lender's promise to make a temporary loan to the borrower if he or she is unable to get other financing. Requires payment, usually based on a percentage of the desired loan. A standby commitment usually serves as a basis for securing a construction loan because the construction lender must be sure that the loan will be paid off when construction is completed. Starter home. A residence that is affordable for and marketed to first-time home buyers. See also move-up home. Starting income. The level of income on the date of valuation, as distinguished from stabilized or projected income, which may or may not equal starting income. Starts. Units on which construction has begun. Used as a statistical factor in evaluating the real estate market. For instance, housing starts. State appraiser, licensure, and certification. In the United States, a state-administered program that qualifies real property appraisers at various levels of expertise. Originally mandated by the Financial Institutions Reform, Recovery, and Enforcement Act, FIREA, to require licensure or certification for certain appraisals. See also temporary practice. State rule. In condemnation, the process of determining just compensation by estimating the value of the portion to be acquired as part of the whole property, plus the net damages, may be referred to as a taking plus damages rule. See also before and after rule. Station. A point on the Earth's surface that can be determined by surveying. Statistical analysis. Quantitative techniques used, for example, to estimate, value, and identify and measure adjustments to the sale prices of comparable properties. Techniques include statistical inference and linear and multiple regression analysis. See also the mathematics and statistics glossary in the addenda. Statute of Frauds. A statute based on the English Statute of Frauds, designed to prevent fraud and perjury by requiring certain contracts to be signed and in writing. Statutes of frauds traditionally apply to the sale or transfer of interests in land. Statutes vary by state. Statutory law. Law created by legislative enactment. Statutory redemption. The right of a defaulted property owner to recover the property after its sale by paying the appropriate fees and charges. Statutory redemption period. See redemption. Step up or step down annuity. A type of increasing or decreasing annuity, usually created by a lease contract that calls for a succession of level annuities of different amounts to be paid in different periods of the lease term. Step up, step down lease. A lease that provides for a certain rent for an initial period, followed by an increase or decrease in rent over stated periods. End of page.